Ellie, there's your surprise. It's under the tarp. You want to pull the tarp off?
Stella wants to know what it is. What is this big surprise for Ellie?
Pull the tarp off. Pull it off.
What is the big surprise for Ellie?
It's another tarp.
All right, Ellie.
I grabbed the blanket off of it. You gotta look at the front of it.
Come over here. What is this,
Look
Ellie?
at the front of it, Ellie. Come over here.
Is it for me? Can you build it for me?
I will build it for you, yeah.
How do I open it?
Do you want to do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a Jeep?
It's a Bronco.
Bronco?
Because
I like Bronco.
we decided that it's time for Ellie to have her own set of wheels. You know, Daddy has enough.
Can you see it?
Now it's Ellie's turn to drive. Let's hope she's a better driver than Griffin.
Here we go.
All right, we're gonna start the assembly.
I guess I'll read the instructions.
Yeah, please read the instructions first.
That looks important.
What is that called?
That's a
It's-
tool. That's a tool for putting it together.
And
I was gonna use my impacts.
we got a box to play in. Yay, we love boxes.
Okay, is that the engine?
Stella's exploring the garage.
These are the motors. This is electric. They don't make gasoline power wheels anymore.
Can I put this on?
Not yet, baby. When we get to that step.
So this is the officially licensed Ford Bronco, 24 volt, 2 seats, and yes, it's pink. Not all put together, but it's getting there.
Done.
I'll get that. I don't know if that's next.
She felt left out. All her friends had one, right? Her brother. So it's time for her to get her own set of wheels.
We're gonna follow the.
No more boredom. Endless fun. Ellie really wants to put together the steering wheel.
Oh, we gotta put the windows on.
Yes.
Windows on? Where are the windows?
These are the windows.
Oh, I can help you.
You can help me?
Yeah.
So this is probably the easiest assembly that
Yeah,
you've
this has
done.
been really easy.
Who's that pink?
Very easy to assemble. Maybe I could have done this, huh?
You could have.
But I like that I have you to help me.
Okay. Windshield's in. What's next? All right, come in and turn it on.
We're gonna make sure we get our seatbelts on first,
You gotta
Ellie.
sit in the driver's seat.
Sorry, I can't do this.
The on button's right there.
And it works.
All right, press the gas for just a second. This is how you go forward,
Oh,
and that's
okay.
how you go backwards. That's
Whoops.
forward, backwards, it's low and high.
Can you turn on the light and see if the LED light works?
Stop. All right, press the light. Press the other red button.
Press the other red button, Ellie.
That one?
Yeah. All right, let's see. Look at that. What is that, LED lights?
That's cool.
That's so cool.
Now you gotta stay inside.
Yeah.
We're gonna take you outside. You wanna drive it outside?
All right. Ready for our first ride. All right, whoa. Good job, yay. Look at her go, and she's off. Ellie, is that the best gift ever? Yeah? So fun. All right, Ellie, can you take it off-road?
Hey, Ellie, you wanna go faster? Just drive it. Just go drive it.
Just try.
Just try. It'll be better. All right, it's not a lot faster. All right, go. Is that better? See?
She was afraid to go fast, but she's having more fun.
All right, go drive around.
So it does have the Bluetooth music option. We're gonna do that
You're gonna take it off some sick ramps, Ellie?
a little bit later, but that's a nice option to have. Right now, we're just gonna enjoy the sounds of of outside and driving. So all I did was select the mode, which was Bluetooth, and then I just paired it with the device on my phone. It was 2001B, and it let me know that it was paired successfully, and now I can play music on the Bronco from my phone. Very cool. Let's take it for a test ride. Did it stop raining? Oh, yeah, it's been raining off and on. Go faster. Oh God, she made the speed faster. She is so funny. Didn't take her long to get used to that. It's fast. Are you having fun? first ride is success. Can't wait to show this to Griffin later. And stop. Just gonna park it all the way in here. Oh, can you honk the horn? Honk, honk. Ellie, you did a pretty good job parking. All right, turning it off. Get the seatbelts off, pretty easy. We just pinch and the door can open. All right, oh, and the horn still works. Gotta turn the lights off.
Why is this car? Why is this Bronco all wet?
It's all wet from the rain. Yep.
How do we walk that?
So cute.
What's it? That's what.
Now it's locked. Good job, Ellie. Good job parking it. What do you think?
You see it? Yeah. I want to ride it again.
You want to show Griffin?
I want to show you how to ride it.
Alrighty. All right, she's giving her big brother a ride. Griffin, are you excited? What do you think? Is it cool, Griff? She's doing really well at steering it. I'm super proud. She loves it. Thank you so much to First Ride On. They love it, and it was so much fun to assemble and watch them both go for a ride in this. And it's Griffin's turn. He really wants to drive, so thank you so much. They had a lot of fun. All right, Griff, ready, set, go. Ellie, tell Griffin where you want him to go. Lights on. Yeah, they're not gonna last long in here together because they're fighting over the lights. Guess we're parking it. Where's he gonna park it? Let's see if he's gonna fit. And yeah, no, we're not gonna do this, Griffin. They're arguing over all the buttons. Typical sibling stuff, but that goes really fast after charging it, and they've had so much fun. Love how it drives. So fun. Test ride was a success, and assembly was a lot of fun, and we'll see you on the next one.